Hey, I hope things are good with you. I recently built an earring display for my wife. It's kind of like a wall mount style, and you can hang any earrings that got the hook backs on there. So I'm just going to go through the materials that I used, and then I'm going to throw music over the video, and you can just kind of sit back and enjoy it. I might talk over it once in a while just to kind of explain a couple of things. But other than that, I just want you to hang out. So the video is kind of long. There's 2 parts. I hope you like part 1 enough where you come back and you check out part 2. All right. Enjoy. Alright, so here's the materials we're going to need for this one. This black piece of mesh it's just a piece of gutter guard. You kind of throw that stuff in your gutters. Keeps all the leaves and debris out, but it's got a nice coating on it, so you don't have to worry about any sort of corrosion. $4.38. I got this piece of material, a ½ yard of it. You can get whatever pattern you want, whatever pattern your wife might like. This is my wife's favorite color, so I went with that. That was $3.71. And then I got a piece of cherry down here underneath it that we're going to build a frame out of. And I'm guessing we're probably going to use maybe $20 worth of that. So let's get to it. So generally, you mill your lumber before you run it through your table saw. My joiner is only 6 inches wide, and this was an 8-inch board, and it was pretty flat, so it felt pretty safe running it through my table saw. Seeing that I got music running over the top of everything, I wanted to give a quick rundown of what we're doing and how we're doing it. So this is basically a cross section of what we're going to build here. You're going to see me milling 3 pieces of lumber. One of them we're going to split in half to get this. So we'll get 2 of those out of there. This little slot right here, that's where the mesh is going to fit and kind of get sandwiched in there, and we're going to nibble that out on the router table. And then this part, you can put whatever kind of profile you want on there, whatever your preference is. We're going to attach this with screws to that. Everything's going to get assembled with 45s on each corner, and then we're going to attach material to the back.
We gotta just chill out, man. Relax, don't worry, no rush, what's the hurry?
So this funky jig that I'm using is for cutting splines. Splines are thin strips of wood glued across the grain of both mitered pieces, and they make the joints a lot stronger compared to face gluing or just putting a biscuit in. You can use a contrasting wood like I did if you like the look of them, or else you can use the same wood you're using if you want to try to conceal them.
Point at the map and we'll get there somehow. The sky ain't falling, let's get out of this town. Our time is vital and we're making it count. Doing what we can to show them who we are now. Okay, 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 yeah, yeah. Let's show them what we're made of. Let's show them who we are. Okay, 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 yeah, yeah.
Alright, so I hope you're enjoying the video. I'm going to call it quits here for part 1 and keep working on editing part 2. So once I got part 2 all edited, I'll go ahead and I'll see if I can add something up here for you to click on, and it'll take you right to it. If you're liking the video, please share it with somebody else that might like it. That would mean a lot. Maybe give it a like yourself or leave a comment. 2 parts gets 2 jokes. What's the difference between in-laws and outlaws? Outlaws are wanted. So hopefully I'll see you back here soon, and as always, stay safe and take it easy.